spoon. So now we get this Barbie. So we having these 3 spoons. This is first spoon. This is another spoon, and this is third spoon. And now we are opening this. So it is the things. We are having the tray and 4 glass. 2 is dark pink and this is light pink. We having the pan and we having the 3 spoon. We having the one kitchen bowl and this is the jug and this is the kitchen. Now we are opening. We get the big things. This is big pan and this is plate and this is the holding. Now we can put the things. So we are having the photo how we put. So we remove this and remove this and we take this part there. First we put this cells. Now we having this screwdriver. Now we put these cells. So we are having the 3 cells. So now we take and keep this screw. we take this down. We having this to put the cups. And now we keep this down. And now this is the three hitekara. This spoon. So now we put all the three spoon. That is, the spoon is falling down. So this is glass. In picture they show the glasses in the fridge. We put the three spoon there, and we having the last. We put three and we having one. So there is the for water. We keep there the one, and then we having this jug. They are showing the jug is in there. Jug is not going. We put like that. So we having this tray. That is the ice cream and cheese. So we put this. There is the cheese. This only. And there is fruits. We keep anything there. So we having the pan and this the kitchen bowl. So now we also keep this and there is something to. There is water, so we can also fall down. So it is fall there. It is the pan we are putting on the fruits. And now we having the Barbie. We get these two things also. We put down. And this is Barbie. She is cooking. She is boiling the water. First we take water and she put there. And now we put cell 3. So now we having the light. So it has light, and this is of noise of water, and now we press this button and then the noise is stopped. So we having there to bake the non-veg. There is pizza and the chicken. So this set not get any food. So we are playing like that only. So there is this set we having the three box of